Want to take your deadlift game to the next level? Struggling with form or hitting new personal records? Discover 5 essential tips to perfect your technique, avoid common mistakes, and unlock maximum strength. Master the deadlift and watch your power, confidence, and progress soar like never before. Welcome to Muscle Hacks. Unlock your strength, transform your body. Number 1. Set up your stance. A proper stance lays the groundwork for an efficient and safe deadlift. Start by positioning your feet shoulder-width apart, with your toes pointing slightly outward. Ensure your feet are flat on the ground, distributing your weight evenly. The barbell should be close to your shins, almost grazing them, to minimize the distance it needs to travel during the lift. This positioning helps you maintain optimal leverage and balance. Engage your heels and keep them grounded, as they are the primary point of force during the lift. Adjust your grip based on comfort and bar control. You can choose a double overhand mixed grip or hook grip for better stability. Before initiating the movement, ensure your posture is upright, your chest is up, and your shoulders are slightly in front of the bar. Take a deep breath to engage your core and focus on creating a strong, stable base. This initial setup ensures your lift starts with power and precision, reducing the risk of errors or injury. Proper stance not only improves lifting efficiency, but also builds confidence, making you more comfortable handling heavier weights over time. It's the foundation of a strong, successful deadlift. Number 2. Engage your core. Engaging your core is critical for both stability and injury prevention during the deadlift. Your core acts as a natural brace, supporting your spine and allowing you to lift with more control. Before starting the lift, take a deep breath and brace your abdominal muscles as if preparing for an impact. This tension should be maintained throughout the movement to protect your lower back and keep your posture strong. Think of your core as the bridge between your upper and lower body. A weak core compromises your strength and increases the risk of strain. Incorporate exercises like planks, ab rollouts, and hanging leg raises into your training routine to develop a strong and resilient core. During the lift, avoid exhaling completely until you've reached the top of the movement. This technique, known as the Valsalva maneuver, helps maintain intra-abdominal pressure and provides additional support. A well-engaged core not only ensures safety, but also allows you to generate more power, making your deadlift more efficient and effective. Proper core activation is a skill that translates across various lifts, improving your overall strength and performance in the gym. Number 3. Maintain a neutral spine. Keeping a neutral spine is essential for both safety and performance during the deadlift. A neutral spine means your back is neither rounded nor excessively arched, but aligned in a straight, natural position. Begin by setting your posture before the lift. Align your head, neck, and back as though a rod runs from the top of your head to your tailbone. Keep your gaze forward or slightly downward, avoiding the temptation to look up or tuck your chin. This alignment ensures even distribution of force and minimizes stress on your vertebrae. As you lift, maintain this position by engaging your core and avoiding any excessive movement in your lower back. Rounded or arched backs increase the risk of spinal injuries, especially under heavy loads. Practice maintaining a neutral spine with lighter weights before progressing to heavier lifts. Visualization techniques, like imagining your back as a flat table, can help reinforce this position. Additionally, strengthening your lower back, core, and posterior chain with accessory exercises like bird dogs, back extensions, and Romanian deadlifts will enhance your ability to hold a neutral spine. Proper spinal alignment not only prevents injuries, but also ensures you can lift heavier and more confidently over time. Number 4. Use your legs. Your legs are the primary drivers of power in the deadlift, making their proper engagement essential for both strength and safety. Begin the lift by pressing through your heels, ensuring they remain firmly planted on the ground. This helps you generate maximum force while maintaining balance and stability. As you lift, engage your quadriceps to extend your knees and your hamstrings and glutes to drive your hips forward. Avoid relying too heavily on your lower back. The deadlift is a full-body movement that requires coordination between multiple muscle groups. To reinforce proper leg engagement, focus on pushing the floor away rather than pulling the bar upward. Incorporate accessory exercises like leg presses, Bulgarian split squats, and Romanian deadlifts into your routine to strengthen your lower body. These will improve your lifting mechanics and overall performance. During the ascent, keep your chest up and shoulders back to maintain good posture. Avoid shifting your weight onto your toes, which can destabilize the lift and strain your lower back. Proper leg activation not only enhances your deadlift performance, but also minimizes injury risk, making it a critical component of this foundational exercise. Number 5. Control the descent. Lowering the bar with control is just as important as lifting it. After locking out the lift at the top, initiate the descent by hinging at your hips while maintaining a slight bend in your knees. Avoid simply dropping the bar, as this not only risks injury, but also misses the opportunity to build eccentric strength. Keep your core engaged and your spine neutral throughout the movement to protect your lower back. Slowly guide the bar back down, keeping it close to your body as it travels downward. Think of the descent as an extension of the lift, requiring the same focus and control. Eccentric movements, like lowering the bar, are where significant muscle growth occurs, so taking your time here can lead to better gains. Practice tempo deadlifts with lighter weights to develop control and proper form during the descent. Avoid rounding your back or letting the bar move away from your body, as this can compromise your posture and lead to strain. By focusing on a controlled descent, you not only improve your overall deadlift technique, but also ensure the longevity of your lifting journey. Proper control is the hallmark of an experienced and disciplined lifter. Congratulations on mastering the deadlift. With these 5 essential tips, you're now equipped to lift safely, effectively, and with confidence. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch your strength and progress skyrocket. Remember, perfect form is the key to unlocking your full potential. Stay focused and keep crushing your fitness goals. Thanks for watching Muscle Hacks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new muscle building strategies.